Hi there, I am Anna. Today's watercolor painting is based on a quote someone just told me. I got some feelings after hearing that, and I thought to paint something like that. If you're wondering what I do here, I paint and I share the process, and I also talk about imaginations and real life experiences along with it. So the sketch is of a man alone sitting on a bench. I'm thinking to color it as a sunset landscaping. So mostly I'll be using two types of yellow color, which is one would be the lemon yellow and another would be the medium shades, the gamboge one. And I will be also using orange color and contrast them with layers of lighter and darker shades. So as it's the water, so the sky color would be reflecting on it. So no need to worry about the base color. We can do it together. So while blending the color, make sure the color is still wet, but do not add too much water. Also depends on the type of paper you're using. Anyways, so I thought to do this painting because I heard someone was saying this, and I all of a sudden I got that imagination and feelings of, someone is sitting alone and maybe he's sad or thinking of something difficult moments. So I heard that people were saying that men are not raised to talk about their feelings. It's perceived as a sign of weakness. Instead, they learned to keep it quiet and dealt with it on their own. Like after a long time of this kind of silence, and it is either their answer would be they are fine, or go away or leave them alone, something like that. And that's not right. But it shouldn't have to be that way. As a person, as a woman, I think we have the different kind of power within ourselves to make someone feel loved and taken care of. I think communication and showing empathy could be a start point, but I know 90% of man goes through this, and yeah, talk to them, if you know someone is going through this. Now I'm using black and dark brown shades for the tree branches, and make sure the paper is completely dry before you start the finest lines, otherwise it will smudge. Then highlight those areas where you think the lights comes from, that's other side. So it will give you a 3D effect and more realistic way. You can also use pen or color pencils to touch the shadow sides. I think I have added too much unnecessary branches. I don't know what I was thinking, but in reality, I saw someone was sitting on the bench, and the tree behind him was like shading because it's winter here. I actually used a ball pen to do the sharp branches, and also used white and yellow color mixed together to do the highlighting part, so it reflects. Anyway, it still works. That will get you started with the watercolor experiment if you are beginner. So back to my thoughts that the world is so difficult, and so many burdens over us, and it may be exhausting on us, but we can help each other whoever is in need, because I believe that it's definitely affecting on mental health of men. I have seen women's helpline, children's helpline, old age helpline, but there is no way that I have seen man's helpline. I may have said it in a sarcastic way, but it is way more serious than how it looks like. Being vulnerable, it's absolutely okay. Being emotionally open in front of the right person, it's absolutely okay. And I think there is real women. They expect that someone will come to them and share their feelings with them. They absolutely appreciate that. So let me know in comments any ideas you have to deal with such cases, or if you have helped someone who needed. Let me know if you have any questions about the art I have just painted. I will try to share more knowledge if I have. And if you liked it, the art, please like it, subscribe my channel, and share your thoughts with me. Thank you. And if you want me to do something specific to paint next time, share it with me, please. See you soon. Take care.